As you can see, it has refreshed and I have every single thing now well done. Now, the first thing, of course, you do is to ensure that if anything is not well done, you update it. What I love about WP Toolkit, I don't love it for most things. There's this what we call check WordPress integrity, that it can verify if the core files you're having in WordPress are correct as compared to the reference checksums from WordPress.org itself. So when you're hacked and you have those funny files, you can just come here, verify checksums. If it tells you there are some files that we saw that are not as good, I can just come and say reinstall WordPress core. Right now, I can install, I can reinstall WordPress just in a click of the button without deleting my number, my files. So from that, I can actually put the website on a maintenance as I do all this by just clicking here. This is what I have. You can just click here and I just refresh and I'll have the website on a maintenance. Right now I'm logged in, log maintenance mode, and it will actually bring the maintenance mode. I don't know why it's bringing this, maybe because I'm logged in. So we have that. So some people prefer to do that smart update things. I don't. I love updating my things one by one. Not waking up. My client was calling me. The website had updated itself and it crashed. No, I don't want that. So the next thing I do, I come to themes and I delete any other theme that doesn't like help me. So I don't know why you cannot delete things. Uh, I just realized that on that I could not delete theme, could not delete themes, but I could delete them here on Softaculous. Okay, but I'm going to teach you how to delete them manually so that you know how to delete themes. I don't, I don't stay with themes. I don't love staying with themes that I don't use. So you go to your installation, public HTML, WP content, themes, go to this is what we are using. I only delete two themes. Okay, I usually leave the latest one, 2025, is my latest, and they such that if this one fails, I can troubleshoot with that. Okay, so that's how I handle my themes. So from there, the only thing I do, I can see we're having protocol mismatch. I don't know. We're having this error. So we can switch WordPress to use HTTPS. That's why I really prefer using this. So, and as it does that, I can, let's say if I'm having issues, it's now working. If I'm having issues, I can do the USB, I can do the debugging such that it will show me any errors that I might be having. Right now I don't have any other errors. The other idea is to right click inspect and actually check for errors here. We have mixed content. Okay, we can see our font, the Amsterdam one font is the one that has an issue. It's on HTTP devin.test. So what you do, you come to Elementor, you go to custom fonts and ensure that every time you move your website, you redo this. You just have to redo this and select it again, even if you changed, uh, even if you changed your and update. Even if you change your URLs, you can see our URLs were okay. So, but it requires for you to redo them. So that is usually the issues we have. So I think I'll clear cache, I'll purge the cache, and everything should be working fine. Maybe the other thing is the browser cache, which I can also try and clear. But basically, as you can see, that is the error that I'm getting, which is basically the one for my content and my font. So just two other warnings, which is just coming from the same font, which you can fix. So you go back and if there was any error, you would apply debugging, but always turn this off because visitors will see that. You can say take over WP Chrome PHP, which is it's a cron, what to create what to call cron jobs to tell the system at this time do this, at this time run this script. So you can also enable hotlink protection, and you can come and say apply critical measures, and actually you can block XML RPC. XML RPC is a service where we used to post WordPress posts from email. We don't really use that. So you can forbid execution of PHPs from the WP includes and WP content directory. And the good thing, it tells you what can be reverted and what cannot be reverted. So you can disable scripts concatenation, turn off pinbacks, disable file editing, enable bot protection, access to potentially sensitive files, block access to all that, block other kinds, configure security keys, change default administrator username if it was done as admin. And with that, I can just say secure, and my WordPress is secure. Now, the challenge of using WP Toolkit for this is that you would have blocked a lot of things. Okay, which is very good if you're not constantly working on the website. You've just designed the client website and it's just for view only. Use this. And let's say there's a plugin you're using, we're having issues with access and all these things. Come revert this thing, see which one is the one that is affecting and work on it. So work on this thing slowly and slowly so that you get to learn everything about it. So that is how you do security using WP Toolkit. And you can also do the same using Softaculous. I saw a security measures tab here. You can actually do the very same thing, which is that, but don't do both. You can choose the critical only, choose manually, and all that. So depending on which one you love, you can choose whichever to do. So it's a very, very, very good thing to do.